Hey yo, this is Dash. I have my coffee. I have some beef bacon. I have some eggs. All right, let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. That was a good one. Good flip. Oh, ho, ho. Can we go 3 for 3? We're standing at the Blackstone. Yep, I'm getting ready to make breakfast. You guys are gonna hang out and watch. Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. All right, so good morning.
Try this one more time. Good morning. There we go.
I know it has been a while since I have used the Blackstone, and not for nothing, I just haven't come out and used the Blackstone.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
So I'm gonna go ahead and get it uncovered, and let's get this silicone mat off. And I got the silicone mat off of Amazon, and I'm only going to use half the griddle today. Let's see. Yep. 1, 2. I see them on. So I'm gonna turn it up on high for a moment or so just to kind of get some heat into it. Oh boy, it is chilly. So that's why I'm wearing Eagle Skelly. Go Birds. But I guess while this is warming up, I'll show you how I made my espresso this morning. One of the things I like to do is I like to run the coffee or water through the grounds twice. Is it supposed to be done that way? Probably not, but I figure if I was gonna be adding hot water to my coffee anyway, I might as well just run through the coffee. All right, now that I have my espresso, I can go ahead and make myself breakfast. All right, so now that you guys know how I made my coffee this morning, I'm gonna go ahead and get my bacon on the griddle. And I still have it up on high. Once I get the bacon on the griddle, I will turn it down to low. But let's get this out of here. And this is a whole pack, but this is a whole pack of beef bacon. And I remember when it used to be 12 ounces, but not anymore. I mean, I remember when it used to be a pound, 16 ounces, but now it's down to 12 ounces. So,
more bacon strips. More bacon strips for more hater lips.
All right, I'm gonna turn the heat down. Like I said, I'm gonna turn it down to low. I'm gonna go inside real quick and wash my hands. I'll be right back. If you guys could smell what I smell right now, it smells fantastic. It is chilly. It is like 50 degrees, maybe not even 50 degrees right now. And there's not nearly enough heat coming off of this griddle as I would like. But it feels a little better than nothing. So let me get these guys flipped over.
More bacon flips, so throw more hater fits.
So I know somebody's gonna ask, where did I get beef bacon from? I actually got this beef bacon from Costco, of all places. And when I say I highly recommend it. The last time I was at the farmer's market, and I will have to get you guys some videos the next time I go down to the farmer's market, but the last time I was there at the farmer's market, I did ask about the chicken bacon. I know I've gotten turkey bacon and beef bacon from the farmer's market, or the Pennsylvania Dutch market, not farmer's market, the Amish market. And I had no problem getting, or at least I saw the chicken bacon in the past. But when I talked to the guy who runs a produce, or poultry stand, he said that it wasn't selling enough, or they didn't sell enough of it, so they didn't really do much with it. He said, if you were wanted to know kind of what it was like, he said it was like, just think turkey bacon, but with chicken instead of turkey. So, but if you guys have been around my channel long enough, you guys have seen me cook turkey bacon.
Flashback. End of flashback.
And I like there's a specific type of turkey bacon, like turkey slab bacon, not the real thin bacon, turkey bacon. And I'm gonna flip these guys over once again. And we're just gonna let them hang out. They are cooking nice and slowly. I'll say normally, but typically I would be cooking much warmer. Let me get you guys back down there. We are looking good. It has major excite. I'm gonna pull these guys up here. These two. Let them hang out still on the heat, but I have a couple eggs, so I'm gonna get my eggs on. hoping to do this without getting any show, but no.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the f is that?
All right. How do you like your eggs?
How you like your eggs? By the fertilized.
Me, I am a over hard busted yolks is a must. So we're just gonna let those hang out. Let's wipe the raw egg off of there. Got a piece of shell on the bacon. I guess I can deal with that later. Woo. Yes. All right. See if I can separate those guys. Yeah. Not yet. Like I said, I like my eggs over hard. I'm gonna go get a plate. I'll be right back. All right, let's see. Oh, wow, look at that. That was a good one. Good flip. Oh, ho, ho. Can we go 3 for 3?
Look at the flick of their wrist. Look at the flick of their wrist.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever successfully flipped my eggs without a problem. And I'm just going to turn these over so we can just keep some heat in them. Yeah. How do you like your bacon? Are you like you want it crispier than the surface of the sun? Or are you kind of like an in-between? I'm more like an in-between. It doesn't have to be super duper crispy, but I do want to know that it's cooked. Oh yeah, eggs are looking good. Oh, minimal stickage there. Oh yeah. Just trying to make sure everything is done throughout. Oh yeah, buddy. Let's get the eggs on the plate so we can kind of put the bacon over top of the eggs. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yes, sir. Look at that. Beef bacon, eggs. Yes, indeed. All right, I'm gonna turn the griddle off. I'll be back out here to clean that up in a bit, but I'm gonna go inside and enjoy my breakfast. All right, so I'm back inside, and all I'm gonna do is add some pepper. We got some coarse black pepper here, and that's it. I am getting ready to throw down. We're gonna cut the eggs up into pieces and eat a bite of egg with a slice of bacon and enjoy. Hopefully everything is going well for you guys and you guys are getting ready for Thanksgiving. Someone gave me grief. The last video I put out was me smoking salmon in the pellet cooker, the Lone Star Grill's pellet cabinet, and I did not do a taste test. I apologize. I was pressed for time and I had to get out of the door to get to my wife's Friendsgiving. But this right here, beef bacon is just as every bit as salty as pork bacon, and there's no need, in my opinion, to add salt to your eggs because there's plenty of salt in the beef bacon. I love I love beef bacon. Anyway, I know there's a couple of you guys can't. Uncle Steve, I'm looking at you specifically. You guys give me grief about eating alternatives to pork bacon, but there are things that are alternative wise out there that are just as good, if not better. Give it a try. Dude, this right here. Nothing but protein, eggs, beef, deliciousness. All right, I'm gonna let you guys go. I do appreciate you hanging out with me. What did you have for breakfast this morning? Please comment down below and tell me what it is you had. But if you like what you saw today, if you learned something, please feel free to leave me a comment and or, a suggestion or notion down below. But I'm going to finish enjoying my breakfast. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you again, as always, for watching. Hey, Q taste test number 3.
More butter, baby.